Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi technology. In this video we will learn how to set image as list symbol. Okay, so the first requirement is an image that we want to use as list symbol. So here you can see we have this image. Okay, so we will use this image as symbol. So what you need to do, just open your IntelliJ IDEA and here in this Src and then main. If you click here you will see two folders, Java and resources. So this resource, expand this and we have nothing in the resources, so right click, new, and then directory img. Okay, so new directory name will be img. Now just copy this and right click, paste. Okay, so we have one image list hyphen icon. Okay, now the second thing is we need to create one string object that will public static final string img equal to, and here we will provide path. So path starts with src, then main, then resources, img list icon dot png. Okay, so this is the path. Now we need to create one image data object. Image data equal to image data factory dot create, and here we will put img semicolon. So now we have one image data, and now after this list dot set list symbol, and here new image, and here image data. So now let's try to run this. And here you can see we have this image as list icon, but the size is very big and that's why this list is not looking good. So what we need to do, just close this, and here we will set the size. So image data dot set height, and for example 15, image data dot set width 15. Okay, so now run this. And now list is looking good. So this is the way you can use any image as list icon. So thanks for watching this video. If you like my effort, then please subscribe and like this channel, and also share. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.